Hi and welcome back to my channel. I've got a special video today. We're going to be talking about how you can get laptops on your CIC's grant budgets and how these refurbed ones are really appealing for grant funders, so they will accept them, and how they cost just under £200. We've partnered up with Active Support Group, links in the description. So I'm going to be talking about all of that in this video, all about the recommended how you can buy assets like tech on your CIC legitimately, what grant funders look for, etc. So all of that is going to be in this video. So if you like it, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to get more of these top tip videos for community interest companies, grant funding and social enterprises. So we do a lot of stuff here on this channel, but I do even more over in my membership. So my membership CIC tribe, I do regular 3 times a week. I show up for my CICs in group calls where they can ask me questions, where we work on growing your income streams and your CIC's grant funding portfolios. So if you want to know more about that, go to the description and see the link. So that aside, let's get into it. So Active Support are a CIC and they partnered with us a little while ago. And when they got in contact, they said, look, basically what we're trying to do is get refurbed computers and laptops. We want to give those to CICs and charities and other community groups so that they're getting a low-cost option that is environmentally friendly. Obviously, the landfill situation with tech is completely out of control, so we want to always try to get used tech. And so they refurb these to a really high standard. They have given me some ones to test out. They've given me this laptop and they gave me a computer. Brilliant service. They totally upgrade them, make them faster. It's also a benefit because we know that we really shouldn't be buying lots of new tech, not just because of the environment, but also because of what's going on in the Congo and everything to do with the mining of the lithium. So we want to obviously reduce our use of new tech. So buying refurbed is actually really ethical for environmental and human rights issues. And it also is good for you because it brings the price down. Grant funders like it for all of those reasons. And obviously they will always prefer it if you buy refurbed tech. So what can you expect from this tech? So here is one of the laptops. You can get these on Amazon and they are rubbish. They're really rubbish ones. They break really quickly. And I have done that before with a CIC Job Club project. I bought a load on Amazon for like 150, all broken within a year, absolutely useless. So with these, they're a lot more hard wearing, they are a lot stronger, they'll last you, and they're really good for doing workshops with. Because I know a lot of you are doing workshops where your participants need to get on the internet. Maybe you're helping them apply for jobs, maybe you're helping them write letters, maybe you're helping students do their homework. So to have these is a really good thing. So what are my tips for putting these on a grant budget? So if you want to put these on a grant budget, like I said, the grant funder will love that. That's absolutely fine. They don't like you hiring tech. They prefer you to buy them, so your CIC's got them. And again, they prefer the refurbed. So if you were going to put this on a budget, say you were going to do, like I said, a job club, say you wanted to get 5, that's like about 1,000. So you want to get 5 and then you've got those then as an asset. Now, if your CIC was to dissolve, remember those assets, those computers would need to be donated to whoever your nominated asset lock is, or you would sell them and reinvest the money into the CIC if you knew you were going to be winding down. So that's the deal with the assets. Now, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You put it on the grant form, they will accept it. You justify it by saying your participants need it for X, Y, and Z. You put the breakdown cost and make sure you put the word refurbed. That's key. Active Support have very kindly given me a discount for you CICs that follow me. So you can get these for £195 rather than £205. So I'll save you a little bit. So if you use the discount code KEX99, KEX99, that's a discount code. I'll put it in the description and I'll put the link to Active Partnership there so you can go over and grab those. I've also put the links and the code over on our website on kex.co.uk in my CIC marketplace. I don't know if you know, but my CIC marketplace is full of stuff that CICs need. And I've put them all of there in the marketplace. So that is actually free and open. You don't need to join my paid membership to get that. It's just on my website. So do go over to the CIC marketplace and have a look what's in there, because stuff like this, which is really useful, is over there. So I hope that helps and you enjoyed that video and you're able to go off and get yourself some decent laptops as a result. If you like that video, again, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.